What is the purpose of the C preprocessor in C programming? A. Compile C code. B. Optimize code. C. Preprocess code before compilation. D. Execute code. The right answer is C. Preprocess code before compilation. What does the following macro do? Hash define pi 3.14. A. Defines a variable pi. B. Declares a constant pi. C. Defines a macro pi with value 3.14. D. Creates a function. The right answer is C. Defines a macro pi with value 3.14. Which file is typically included using hash include stdio.h? A. User-defined file. B. Standard input backward/output header file. C. Math header file. D. Compiler settings file. The right answer is B. Standard input/output header file. What does hash include file.h mean? A. Include system header file. B. Include user-defined header file. C. Include precompiled header file. D. Include default header. The right answer is B. Include user-defined header file. What is the output of hash-define area function x parameter? X multiply x used as area function 3 plus 2 parameter? A. 25. B. 11. C. 3 plus 2 multiply 3 plus 2. D. Error. The right answer is C. 3 plus 2 multiply 3 plus 2. What is the purpose of the hash error directive in C preprocessing? A. Generates a compilation error with a specified error message. B. Defines a macro. C. Checks for syntax errors. D. Excludes code. The right answer is A. Generates a compilation error with a specified error message. Which of these is not a C preprocessor directive? A. Hash define. B. Hash iftef. C. Hash endif. D. Hash for. The right answer is D. Hash for. Hash define max 100. What is max? A. Function. B. Macro. C. Variable. D. Header. The right answer is B. Macro. Hash define can be used for A. Functions only. B. Variables only. C. Macros and constants. D. Comments. The right answer is C. Macros and constants. What is the purpose of the hash define directive in C? A. To define a new function. B. To declare a variable. C. To define a macro. D. To include a file. The right answer is C. To define a macro. Which directive is used to include the contents of another file in a C program using the C preprocessor? A. Hash define. B. Hash include. C. Hash iftef. D. Hash pragma. The right answer is B. Hash include. What does the hash undef directive do? A. Undefines a function. B. Removes macro definition. C. Unincludes a header file. D. Disables compiler. The right answer is B. Removes macro definition. What is a correct way to define a macro with arguments? A. Hash define SQ parameter x cross x. B. Hash define SQ x cross x. C. Hash define SQ parameter x colon x cross x. D. Hash macro SQ parameter x cross x. The right answer is A. Hash define SQ parameter x cross x. What is the purpose of the hash pragma warning directive in C preprocessing? A. Generates a warning message. B. Defines a macro. C. Checks for syntax errors. D. Excludes code. The right answer is A. Generates a warning message. Which preprocessor directive is used to include header files? A. Hash define. B. Hash macro. C. Hash include. D. Hash header. The right answer is C. Hash include. Which directive checks whether a macro is defined? A. Hash if def. B. Hash endif. C. Hash if ndef. D. Hash if. The right answer is A. Hash if def. What is the purpose of the hash elif definite directive? A. Checks if a macro is defined. B. Checks if a macro is not defined. C. Provides an alternative condition. D. Defines a macro. The right answer is C. Provides an alternative condition. Which directive ends an hash if block? A. Hash endif. B. Hash end. C. Hash fi. D. Hash close. The right answer is A. Hash endif. Which operator is used for macro string gazing? A. Hash. B. Hash hatch. C. Ampersand. D. Dollar. The right answer is A. Hash. What is the purpose of the hash if directive in C preprocessing? A. To check if a variable is declared. B. To conditionally include code. C. To include a header file. D. To define a macro. The right answer is B. To conditionally include code.